ODM will live beyond Baba. Even if Baba is not there, ODM should remain there and remain a strong political party. And this will only happen if we work together. We must work together. Don't try to bring a wedge between these people. If you see Joho, Oparanya, Simba, then you are seeing Baba. I want them to come up here.